monkeys. Alrighty. Okay.
Great.
Let me do a freezer for venison, and I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking for. I wouldn't know one piece from another.
Don't touch.
He's on his way over.
Don't touch.
Who's touching?
Everyone.
Girls, out. Go play. Go play with the other girls, okay? No, we're not gonna touch the bug anymore. He's gross.
Casey, no!
Time up. Time over. Next is the time out. Yeah.
Kale.
Yeah. Sit right there.
Oh shit, but it's these venison all here.
Come on, sweetie.